This video will help guide you through adding and updating student vaccination data for vaccinated students. For assistance in entering and updating data for students who are exempt and not vaccinated, please refer to the tutorial for updating and entering data for unvaccinated students. To add data and update the records of a vaccinated student, start by going to Campus Solutions at sa.peralta.edu. Enter your user ID, then enter your password, and click Sign In at the bottom of the screen. The Campus Solutions Administrator window will open. Find and click the Navigation button located in the upper right-hand side to open the navbar window. Locate the Navigator icon and click on it to expand your navigation options. Next, find and click onto Peralta SA Custom, which will open Student Vaccinations. Click onto Student Vaccinations to access the Student Vaccination Tracker option. Then click onto Student Vaccination Tracker. The Student Vaccination Tracker window will open up. To locate a student, you can enter the student's ID number, last and/or first name, then click Search. Once you've located the student, you can begin entering or updating their vaccination information as needed. Find the Vaccination Status drop-down menu and click on it. If the student is partially vaccinated, then select Partially Vaccinated. If the student is fully vaccinated, select Fully Vaccinated. The vaccine name and eligibility menus will appear. This window is also where you can update or flag a student's eligibility status by choosing either Cleared or Not Cleared from the drop-down menu. To continue, just select the vaccine name. After entering the vaccine name, you'll notice the Details window opened up. Now you can select the vaccination type by clicking onto the drop-down menu. Next, enter the vaccination date and leave any notes needed in the comment box. To add an attachment, just click Add Attachment. Find the attachment you wish to add by clicking onto Choose File. Locate the file, click Open to select your file, then click Upload to attach the file. Double-check the information you just entered is correct. Before leaving this window, click Save to make sure everything you've just entered is saved in the system. If you need to add additional dosage information, locate it to the right of View Attachment. You'll see a small plus sign button. By clicking onto the button, you can add additional vaccination dosage or any boosters received. This can be used for students that are recorded as fully vaccinated but submitted one entry for multiple doses, instead of submitting a separate entry for each dose, which is what is needed to complete a fully vaccinated profile. To add additional vaccination information, click onto the button with the plus symbol, select the vaccination type, the vaccination date, any comments you have, include attachments, then make sure to click Save. Additional notes about the Student Vaccination Tracker window. If you need to look at an attachment, just click onto the View Attachment button. This will open the attachment in a new window. On the Details line, near the right-hand side, you'll see a drop-down option. You can click onto this drop-down to access a specific dose or booster. If you need to access multiple dosage information at the same time, to the right of the drop-down, locate the View All option and click on it. This will expand the data displayed so you can view and access multiple dosage entries at the same time. Make sure to click Save every time you add or update anything on the Student Vaccination Tracker window so your changes are not lost.